Welcome to My Home Hub. Today I'll show you how to fix a cracked or chipped tile using MagicEzy tile repair. I've got a chipped tile in our kitchen that looks pretty unsightly, so I'll grab the pack of MagicEzy tile repair. It fills and colours cracks and chips in ceramic or porcelain tiles. I chose the honey beige white tone to best match our tiles. This product comes in multiple colours, so you can choose your own colours to match the job. First, grab a needle or pin and clean out the debris from the crack or chip, blowing out the dust as you go. Next, wash the area with soapy water and dry it thoroughly. Now shake both tubes for about 2 minutes. Each tube has the same product but in different colours, so you just need to mix small amounts from each one until you get a good colour match. Squeeze the mixture into a clear plastic cup. This helps you to see the colour more clearly against the tiles, and then mix it up using a popsicle stick or something similar. And once you've got the right colour match, pour the mix directly into the chip or crack and let it sit a little while to settle into any small gaps beneath the surface. I recommend levelling it off with a popsicle stick or a proper trowel instead of the suggested bottom of the tube, as it can be a bit uneven. Now clean around the area with a wet cloth, and then it's recommended to use a hairdryer to blow the area for around 2 minutes. You might need to top up the chip or crack and repeat the process if you find the filler sinking into the hole or leaving a divot. Now just let it cure for around 24 hours. I managed to get a pretty close colour match, and I'm sure my wife will be happy with the result. They say that no sanding is required, however the finish is quite glossy, and so by using some fine grit sandpaper you can at least get it looking more matte depending on the finish of your tiles. I'll leave some links below where you can purchase MagicEzy tile repair or check out other customer reviews. And if you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribing, sharing and hitting that notification bell for more DIY tutorials and reviews. And until next time, thanks for visiting My Home Hub and happy tile repairing.